Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to rearrange channels on YouTube TV. Alright, let's begin. To start, go to the live section in the middle of your screen. Here, you'll see all of your live channels displayed. If you want to rearrange them, look for the sort option on the right side of the screen. Clicking on this will open a drop-down menu with several sorting options. You can choose the default setting, a custom setting where you can arrange the channels yourself, or sort by the most watched channels. There are also options for alphabetical order and reverse alphabetical order. If you prefer to customize your arrangement, select the Edit option. In the Edit section, you'll see all of your channels listed. You can rearrange them by clicking and holding the two lines next to each channel and dragging them up or down to your desired position. Additionally, if you want to favorite a channel, click on the upward arrow icon next to it. This will add it to your favorites list. You can also rearrange your favorite channels in the same way by dragging them into your preferred order. So that's basically how you can rearrange channels on YouTube TV. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.